I'm Karen from Blackwood Primary School. I'm the head teacher and I'm also the primary lead for the Blackwood Hub.
Hello, I'm Nerys Davis, head teacher of Healthy Comprehensive School, and I'm the secondary lead in Blackwood Hub.
17th on the Tuesday, I was asked hypothetically whether or not Blackwood Primary would be able to host the hub for our children of the NHS. So from the Tuesday until the Friday, we were thinking about the logistics of where we could hold and host the amount of children to make sure that there was social distancing. So we moved furniture further apart and tried to think about how we would manage this if we did open for a hub of 130 children.
And then on Friday the 20th, Karen and I met for the first time in a meeting in the afternoon. We both agreed that we would lead the hub in Blackwood Primary. And over that weekend then our SLT worked really hard to set up rotas, to organise who would staff which rooms. And then we all came together on the Monday and finalised plans and opened on Tuesday to our first cohort of children, which was approximately 20 children.
Lovely seeing our key worker staff dropping their children off, and at the end of the day seeing their relieved faces that their children have had a really good time. Our main focus is the children's well-being, so we've thought of really fun activities. Our staff are working behind the scenes to come up with fun activities on a daily basis through all cluster working, and the secondaries, they're all working so well together to make sure that those children go out of this place with a real big smile on their face.